How to install SeatSaver seat protectors with side release buckles. Some SeatSaver models can be placed directly over the seat without having to remove the headrests. Insert the retaining flap through the seat crevice. The flap has an adjustable strap with the side release buckle attached to it. Locate that and place it under the seat towards the front. Some models have anchor pillows on the seat cushion portion. Tuck the pillow in between the seat cushion and the outer frame of the seat and slide it towards the seat back. Stretch the rest of the cover over the seat cushion. Locate the side release buckle and pull it through. Be sure not to cover this seat adjustment bar. Clip the buckle and tighten up the strap. Close up the top of the SeatSaver with the hook and loop attachments. Finally, slide the headrest cover on and secure it with the hook and loop attachments. Repeat this process on the passenger side. Visit Covercraft.com for more information.